Luna Classic is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, the bulls tried to break above the exponential moving averages, but we failed to see any sort of bullish momentum. We did have a nice fake out situation right over here where we actually retested that 22 resistance level, and I mentioned that as long as we can try to trade above these exponential moving averages, we do have a possibility of retesting that level. As of right now, you can see that we had a beautiful bearish engulfing candle break below the exponential moving averages and are now currently retesting them as resistance. This usually tends to be a more bearish formation, and we can possibly be looking for another leg to the downside, retesting that 14 level overall. In between these two ranges right now, we are in a very tight consolidation range. So right now, this is a no trade zone. As you guys already know, we don't necessarily enter these sort of positions until we have a clear confirmation of where we are headed. Ideally, what we want to see is a move above these exponential moving averages, use it as support, and then that continuation. But if we can't see that from this perspective, then we will be looking for a more bearish move to the downside. On the hourly time frames, you can see we've already broken the exponential moving averages and are currently using them as resistance. And this level specifically, guys, is going to be very, very important. You can see that Luna Classic actually tested this level as resistance, and then we got that breakout formation right here at these 18 mark. And now currently we are breaking that level once again and now using it as resistance once more. So this usually indicates a slow bleed to the downside. You can see on the hourly time frames we had a slow bleed to the downside, and of course it is the weekend tomorrow, so I'm not expecting much liquidity. But I've told you guys this many times that usually on weekends with Luna Classic we tend to see larger move sets to the upside. The only reason, of course, this is because they have more manipulation wicks. This is a more volatile cryptocurrency, and with the current events of what's happening in the crypto markets, we have to be very careful. Ideally, what we want to see is a shorting position. So if we do have another manipulation candle retesting that resistance, that could be a great opportunity to enter that shorting position and possibly play it to this overall support. Speaking on this overall support, of course, as you guys know, on the daily time frames, you can see a much better understanding of where we are. We had a test on that 14 level. We are now retesting the EMA lines and rejected 3 times. The overall support level that we should be testing is around the 86. The reason the 86, of course, is so important is because of the fact that we actually use that level as a support and then that breakout formation, and you can see that we actually had the breakout starting from around that level. We know this level does act as a very strong support. Looking at Luna Classic on the daily time frames, we tested this for quite a while, right? We're talking about almost 2 months of support. So this is why I'm leaning towards another move to that area and then possibly looking for a local bottom. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio.